Now, I don't know if you know this, but we live in a digital age where you don't necessarily have to work in a full-time job anymore in order to make full-time income or more. So I'm gonna show you in this video 5 of the top digital skills that you can master this year so that you can make full-time income and then you never have to work for an employer again. You never have to wait till the end of every single month to get that salary from your employer, and then you can control your finances, you can control your income, which is really the most important thing in this day and age. So the first top digital skill set that you can master that will make you full-time income is basically freelancing in different areas, right? So the first digital skill set that you can master that will make you full-time income is actually article writing. I know that sounds crazy, but I just got off the phone with one of my buddies. He's actually based in Argentina now, and he's doing full-time article writing for a company, and he is making about $7,000 a month. Crazy stuff. Just writing articles, and he's doing this part-time. He's not even a full-time employee. He's a contractor, right? So there's this whole world right now of online freelancing where you can literally do all sorts of different things. You can become a virtual assistant, you can do graphic design, you can do proofreading, you can do article writing, you can do lead generation, and you're working for multiple clients at the same time. You don't have to be based in the same country as where their main office is, and you can still get paid. It's very, very cool. And you can work for multiple people at the same time, because in this digital age, people need all sorts of different skill sets to help to support their business. And if you can fit into the cog and give them high value on some of those things, then you can make potentially a lot of income. Now, one of the websites where you can access a lot of freelance jobs is Fiverr. Okay, now Fiverr started off as a $5 website, but it soon morphed and became what it is today, where you can charge pretty much as you want for the services that you offer. And you can see at the top, there's all sorts of different things you can get into, like graphics, right? And you know, there's logo design, there's a business card design, there's website design, there's image design, there's background removal, right? There's landscape design, there's all sorts of different things. And if you're thinking to yourself, well, Aaron, I don't know anything about graphic design. Well, it's not difficult to learn this skill. I've been building businesses online for over a decade, and I've tried all sorts of different business models. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for me, there's still only one favorite way to get to $10,000 per month. And if you would like to find out exactly what strategy that is, I'd love to share that with you for free. All you need to do is register for the free training below, click the description box or the comment section, and I'll send that directly to your email. So part of this video is just showing you what's possible out there, and a lot of these skill sets is something that you pick up later on. I mean, I didn't know how to do YouTube videos. I didn't know how to do internet marketing. I learned this skill. So the whole trick here is to learn how to upskill yourself into something that you enjoy, fill a gap in the marketplace so that you can maximize the amount of money that you're earning every single month, and you can do it virtually. There's also different things that you can focus on, like digital marketing, writing and translation, which is what we're talking about now. So you can write articles and blogs, you can do translation, you can write resumes, cover letters. But the real big money in article writing is when you write full articles for big websites, right? So if you're a decent writer and you reach out to some of these big websites and you offer your services, this is not a difficult thing to do, and potentially you can earn thousands of dollars every single month for doing that. Now, if you're wondering, how do you learn skills like video animation, music and audio, programming and tech, photography, business, and all sorts of different services? Well, there's all sorts of different ways where you can pick up these skills and learn and get better at them, right? You can go onto YouTube, you can listen to podcasts, you can read books, you can even take classes offline or online on places like Skillshare and Udemy, for example. Digital skill set number 2 that will make you a full-time income is learning how to generate leads for different businesses on a specific platform. I mean, there are so many companies out there right now, if you think about it. Big companies, small companies, influencers, brand new entrepreneurs starting all sorts of different businesses online. Everybody needs leads. Everybody needs traffic. They need targeted people to come and see their stuff. Now, if you can master one platform, get really good at it, and then offer your services to any of these types of people, then this is a great way to generate a lot of money and very easy full-time income. For example, you could get really good at YouTube organic videos, just like you're watching this one right here. This is my specialty, right? You can also get really good at Instagram ads. You can get really good at Facebook ads. You can get really good at TikTok ads. You can get really good at TikTok organic. You can get really good at YouTube Shorts or Snapchat, for example. There's many, many different ways to generate traffic. And if you can hone in on just one of them, learn this skill, take maybe a few weeks, a few months to get really good at it, and then offer it to different businesses. People will pay you $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month as a retainer for you to help them to generate traffic, because leads and traffic is so important to any online business. I hope that makes sense. So this skill right here, if you get really, really good at it, you become a practitioner of Facebook, you become a practitioner of TikTok, you become a practitioner of SEO traffic. You can make a boatload of money, seriously, and then you can hire teams, train them to do it, and then you you can take this skill set potentially to the moon if you really wanted to. Digital skill set number 3 is becoming a great video editor. But not just any type of video, you want to focus now on short form content like TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels. If you think about it, because of the whole TikTok phenomenon, a lot of these companies are starting to move towards short form content, right? Everybody wants to consume 30-second videos, 60-second videos. They don't necessarily want to consume, a 20-minute video anymore, although there are people that still want to do that. But short form content is getting very, very popular. So if you can learn the skill of becoming a good video editor, right, and offering companies, brands, influencers, SMEs the opportunity to edit their videos and create lots of short form content, especially if you do it well, there is a huge demand but a very big shortage of good video editors. Again, you might be thinking to yourself, well, Aaron, I don't have that video editing skill, but a lot of people don't have it initially. This is something that you can learn. It's not that difficult to do. All you need to do, again, is watch a few YouTube videos, maybe even purchase a decent video editing course, and then once you learn that skill set, you have that skill set for life. Think about it. Right? Now that you've taken the time to learn this particular skill set, it's now become an asset that you can use for the rest of your life. You can get paid editing videos for a very, very long time, especially if you start to get really, really good at it and you offer these services to a few different clients every single month, and then you get paid a retainer, and that's how you can very easily go from zero to full-time income just with this one skill set alone. Let me ask you a question. Would you like to earn between 10 and 30,000 US dollars a month for a particular skill set? Well, at number 4, we've got high ticket closing. You may never have heard of this one before, but there's an entire industry where they require highly skilled sales reps to be able to close high price items on the phone and on Zoom with their potential customers. See, there are a lot of companies out there that sell different products and services, and some of these products and services will cost $5,000, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000, even $30,000. Now, in order to close a $20,000 product, people won't just buy from a website. They need to speak to somebody in real life, usually on the phone or through a live call on Zoom, right? So there are a lot of companies that will hire people called high ticket closers, and this is a particular skill set that you'll need to learn, and you'll spend roughly about 45 minutes to an hour with this potential prospect on Zoom or the phone, and you would bring them through a journey. You would find out exactly what their pain points are, and at the end of the call, you would recommend them, like a doctor, the right solution for them, and that's usually your company's product or service, right? And when they buy the product, you will make usually a 20% commission. So if you close a deal for $10,000 and you get paid 20%, how much commissions do you make? You make $2,000. If you close a $15,000 deal and you make 20%, you make $3,000. If you close a $20,000 deal and you make 20%, you make $4,000 in commissions. Think about this for a second. You don't have to close that many deals in order for you to hit full-time income, which is on average $5,000. And again, we're talking about full-time income. If you want to make even more money, all you would do is you would just spend more hours on this particular skill set, and you could very easily get to $10,000. And that's why the top high ticket closers in the world make on average 20 to 30,000 US dollars a month. I mean, this, if anything, is a crazy online digital skill set that you can literally learn. There are people that teach this. There are high ticket certifications that you can go through, pick up this skill set, get jobs with different companies that need people like this, and you can close virtually for any company from anywhere in the world. That's right. That means you could be based in Thailand closing for a US company. You could be based in the US closing for an Australian company. You could be in the UK closing for a company based in China. Literally, you can be based anywhere, and that's why this particular skill set is on this list today in this video. Now, if you're wondering, Aaron, where do I learn this skill set? Well, I've just jumped on Google and I've typed out high ticket closer certification program, and you can find different courses that will teach you this particular skill. Look at this one right here. Udemy, become a high ticket closer, Inception Closing. If you scroll down, we'll probably find Dan Locke's one, right? So Dan Locke is a master in high ticket closing. If you've never heard of him before, this gentleman has a great skill, and he teaches this in his high ticket closer 3.0 certification program. So it's not difficult to find certification programs. You can just go to Google and you can type out what are the top high ticket closing certification programs, and you can probably find a website that will list all of them. And all you need to do is invest in the program, invest in your skills, get that skill set, and start earning 10 to 30,000 US dollars a month. And the last high-paying digital skill set that will make your full-time income on my list is email marketing. Okay, so in this day and age that we live in right now, even though there are a lot of touch points like SMS, like WhatsApp, like chat, like Facebook Messenger, like email. There are so many different ways to get in touch with people. Email is still the most official and best way to get in touch with people in terms of internet marketing. I know it's surprising, right? But if you can master this email marketing skill set, you can potentially make a lot of money. Let me give you an example. One of my students, Dan, is a master at emails, right? He sends 2 to 3 emails a day to the people on his database where he has built up over time through internet marketing. Now, email marketing in and of itself is a skill set. And if you're thinking 2 to 3 times a day is quite a lot, well, he makes $100,000 every single month by selling products online, mainly through email marketing. Now, this is a skill set that you're gonna have to learn. And if you learn this skill set, you can not only make money for yourself, but you can also learn to make money for other clients as well, all right? And again, just like any skill set, it's a skill set that you're gonna have to learn and pick up. And you can do that through different courses, through Skillshare, through Udemy. You can even learn how to do this on YouTube, or you can find individual email marketers that have specific courses on email that will teach you exactly how to do this skill. And then you can learn how to become a good copywriter, and then you can learn how to navigate different autoresponder softwares so that you can learn to be a great email marketer and generate commissions like this and like this and like this. So there you have it, 5 top digital skill sets that will get you to full-time income. Seriously, this list is highly learnable. All right, so anybody that's watching this video, that's you that I'm talking to right now, if you really wanted to, you could learn any of these skill sets and get to full-time income pretty quickly, okay? Don't underestimate the power of some of these skills that we just spoke about in this video today. And look, you're watching this video right now, right? You understand the power of technology. You understand the power of the digital age. You don't have to work a full-time job anymore. If you really apply yourself, if you take what I spoke to you about in this video today and you literally took action on it, in the next 6 to 12 months, I would be shocked if you couldn't replace your full-time income, especially if you really take action and focus on this stuff, all right? I've done it. A lot of my students have done it. Making a full-time income online is not an unrealistic thing anymore. I mean, if you want to make commissions like this and like this and like this, it's not that difficult. You just have to focus, be consistent, and take action. That's really the secret behind doing this. And if you're interested in doing that and just need a little bit more step-by-step hand-holding so that you know exactly what to do, you can just go ahead and register for my free workshop just by clicking the link in the description box or the comment section below. And I look forward to seeing you there. So I hope you enjoyed the video today and you got lots of value from it and you learned a lot from it. If you like content like this, remember to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you know every time we come up with a brand new video. And if you want, you can check out one of the videos I recorded recently. Super fun. You're gonna get a lot of value from it as well, and I hope to see you there. Take care.